Hey guys, today I want to talk about a product that has been going viral on TikTok. The portable vacuum cleaner for cars. Let us find it out if it is real or fake. I bought this from AliExpress. Alright, let's open the box. As you can see, this vacuum cleaner is small and lightweight, making it super easy to clean around your car. It comes with a variety of attachments that make it easy to clean every nook and cranny of your car, from the cup holders to the floor mats. It comes with chargers. It comes with 4 filter, which is good. Let's get it charged and check if it is really good or just piece of shit. Let's spread some rice. As you can see, it has great suction power, which is important when it comes to cleaning a car. You want something that can pick up everything from dirt and dust to larger debris like rocks or food crumbs. Let us spread some coffee and sugar. Well, it works fine in the table. Let's check in the carpet. It works pretty well. Even the air blower works fine. What I love about this vacuum cleaner is that it is cordless and rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about finding an outlet or dealing with messy cords. It is also easy to empty and clean, which is a huge plus. Overall, I think this portable vacuum cleaner for cars is worth the hype. It's convenient, easy to use, and effective. If you're someone who likes to keep their car clean or just wants to make sure it's tidy before a road trip, I highly recommend giving this product a try. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this product and what you think of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and demos like this one.